won't that make it fall this way?
Yeah.
Maybe I don't want to sit right here then.
You can control the
Yeah,
fall.
really, that's like a fucking...
It's a small tree, just push it.
Push over. Going, ready? It's going right over onto us then, if it does that. Right?
Oh god.
Yeah, it's coming.
Shit, no, my balls!
I told you, Jess. Of course, you want some help? You got it?
No.
You want some help?
Oh god.
Nice.
Look at that underneath.
Oh!
We carve it out.
Jesse, you know what we should do? We should build like a fucking
Fuck, that
seat
was
up
cool.
here or something.
No, better idea.
Like a porch.
Look underneath.
Jesse, look at this. We could make a fucking walkway up this tree, all the way to like a fuck up there.
Oh my god, do it!
That would be so sweet. Hey, Jesse,
Make a
see
big
that?
tree for